Hey, YouTubers. My name is AxeMan Gaming and Tutorials, and I'm going to be playing some MedEval 2 Total War. Currently, I'm sending my forces over to the Byzantine, and the Byzantine are noticing this and are kind of upset at it. And so I have Captain Salvo in position to attack Nicaea. I'm trying to get Domenico, or Dom, get his butt moving over there so he can get to Constantinople, whatever that may be. And the Byzantine are like, the Venetians, what are they doing? Storm. What the? Where's this at? I killed soldiers. Don't even have soldiers. Get out of there! Get out of there! There, we escaped the storm. You. Is that even in my territory? No, it's not. I'm in the Turks area. Give it another year. Only at 24. Being this far and having already killed the Milanese. That's nice. Riding? Are those people... Wait, did they kill my soldiers? No, they didn't. Give me some cavalry. They will charge you. I could really care less. Oh, I did realize I was going to send that force to the Crusades. Oh, that's not cool. Give me more of these. You know, actually, those guys aren't. Give me these guys, because they apparently have better armor. Probably more expensive, but who cares, right? This is, after all, just a game. Let me strike. Oh, one second. Alright. Sorry about that. My father was grinding the meat again. Not in that way, you sick-minded person. Anyways, I just got news that England and Portugal formed an alliance. And these guys, man, they hate me. Let me tell you that. But don't worry, it's only 2 more turns, and I'll be able to murder them in a mass extinction. Sure. 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 Wait, what? I didn't even get to read what my gift was. The Unorthodox. The fall. Wow. Did not see that coming. Well, I can, because I've played as Spain, and I know you have to kill the Moors and the Portuguese. I loved Spain. Spain was a good place for people to be. But, well, that's... Everyone's at war. It's kind of funny. Like, all three just declared war on each other. Like, Moors are attacking Spain and Portugal. Portugal's attacking Spain and the Moors. Spain's attacking the Moors and the Portuguese. Lord destruction. Oh my gosh. Just go. You can't. There's not even a bridge there. Are you kidding me? You can just walk over it. Oh, I guess that's a mountain. From military standard. Ah, and again, the grinding resumed. Alright, let's... give her another year. Sure. Oh my gosh. Stupid Rebels are just like, let's do something stupid. Be stupid. Let's just all be stupid. Wait, nope. There we go. Let's just all be what? Who are you? Get in there. No, I do not appreciate that. Ah ha ha. Ah ha ha. War, mother truckers. You had it coming. Now I'm gonna be besieged too. I'm probably gonna leave everyone on cliffhanger. Turks, what do you want? I'm gonna get counteroffer. Alliance. No region. No region. Map information. Map information, trade rights. You stupid. Alright, nah. Just lift the siege, assault. Maintain siege. You, attack him. You build that and that. Maintain siege. There you go. Assault. Exterminate the populace. Simule. Trait increase. Ah! Just that sound, just like, ah! Give it another year. Let you guys see Constantinople die. Ooh. That is a lot of people. Oh, and I can't assist him. Assault. Attack! Yes! That's right, you little sissy girls. Run away! Run away! 'Cause I'm Batman. And Batman shows no resistance. Just leave everything unprotected. That's what I'm about. That's what I'm about, people. Maybe I can show you just a bit more. Sure. There you go. Spain. I like Spain. Spain's good people to be. Thieves Guild. Sure, why not? Okay. You. Look at that. I got kings. Beyond your belief, sonny. In fact, you know what? Buy him. See if you can... Ah! Run away. Oh, wussy. Can't even take on a whole fleet. See, I know where they're all at. So, just down here, and that's it. So, only 2 more things to do. I could probably bring my ships up, pick up my men, and then come down here and kick their butts. So, go ahead and give it another year before this video ends. Alright, come on. Stupid Hungary. What do you want? Sure. This is wonderful! I speak like men! Alright. Get to my other units. Over here. I am willing, but not able, my lord. That's pretty weird. It's be tough, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this new set of 3 videos and the intro. That didn't take me very long, but it took me a while to figure it out. Anyways, I will see hopefully some good reviews later on. But hopefully you have a good day, and like, comment, favorite, subscribe, all that goody stuff. that will help my channel grow. And I again thank you for watching, and have a safe day.